everybody, today we'll be cooking stuffed peppers or dolma. Don't shop for the thick skinned ones, just find the thin ones and follow as I'm showing in the video. Remove the part, clean inside and rinse them very well to remove the seeds from inside. Don't worry if some of them get stirred, just be careful not to rip it all the way through because you need to feel inside that. You are done and they're all ready. On the side you had your minced meat. Pause and read the ingredients. One by one, fill them in with a small spoon and be careful not to squishy them full because they need space to rise for the rice in it. It may seem difficult, but it's not. Trust me. Repeat the very same for all the peppers to finish. Arranging them in the pot as you can see. If you happen to have ran out of peppers and you still have your minced meat, don't worry. You can get your baking sheet, wrap it inside, wet it a bit, and once you wet it, just shape it in a way that you can stuff it and wrap it and stick it in between the peppers in the pot and it will be cooked like that. Or if you want, you can use tomato, emptying it inside and filling it, or potato, you can use it at the same. So you never run out of options, like so. And well, I almost forgot, we need to cover those parts of peppers which are open so that when they are boiling they don't get to fill everywhere. So I use tomato and cut it as you can see in the video, and you lock it in when they boil so they don't spill out. I don't even know why, for some reason I thought my video was in the center, and then after finishing to even cooking I found out that I recorded this way. Don't mind me, I'm still a learner. Yeah, so it's all about cooking, right? Not about the video. We're together. For the sauce to boil, tomato paste, salt and olive oil, or whichever oil you use, hot water, mix and pour on top of it until it's halfway the bell peppers. You can add also some boiled water and on a medium high bring it to a boil, and once it boils lower the heat and let it cook until ready. As always, bon appetit.